Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. To open today's webinar, the Australian dollar defies gravity as the market climbs higher towards the 78-cent region. Although we have broken above 77.40, one thing to note is that we haven't seen any continuation. This in terms may suggest that this could be a false break, as the dailies are clearly overbought and now retreating from that recent high of this morning, which is at 77.76. If we get a break beneath 77.2025 this morning, this should see further weakness and then reopen the downside towards 76.60 as an objective, which could even see a move towards a lower region of around 75. However, we do need to see this break of 77.20 to get the confirmation to the downside. While this level holds, then the further scope to the upside could hold towards 78 cents, but I am a very, very cautious bull, as I feel that the market will not sustain or even uphold towards that region. As the US dollar has continually over the last 2 days held to bullish momentum, the market now looks for euro towards that support of 109.3540 with minor support at 109.90. In light of the current price action, the dailies are breaking down and eventually we should see a move even lower towards 108.5560. Any upside attempts should see resistance now around 110.70 to 111.3035. Dollar yen still holding to its bullish sentiment as the market climbs higher and now, as you can see, looks towards that 105.50 resistance with 106.20 above. Reassess from there, as we could even be looking at higher gains for the dollar yen, but one step at a time, see how the market plays towards that level of 105.50 to 106.20. As a rejection would send the market back towards 103.60 with the firmer support seen at 102.70. No real big call for sterling, although it is weakening and we are seeing this decline towards a 123.10.15 objective. A break there would give further exposure towards 122.45.50, maybe even lower to 121.45.50. We're looking towards the top side. Resistance seen minor at 123.90 and firmer above at 124.50.55. Gold still weak since Monday's gap down price action and now looks towards the support seen at 12.60. A break of 12.60 will give further exposure and look towards 12.40 as an objective. Towards the top side, resistance now comes in at 12.88 and firmer at 12.96, with minor support seen now at 12.82. And to wrap up with oil, well, demand still seems to be holding above that $43 support, and while intact, could see further gains in the next 24 hours towards an objective of 46.0520. Now, a rejection from there would give the signal across the market that the demand is failing and we could actually see a fall to $43 and reassess from there. Well, that concludes my daily video. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, you can get further information from my intraday report that comes out every morning.